Hi there, today I will be guiding you through how to fix Facebook AI not recognizing faces. So, let's find out why this problem happened. The first thing I will suggest to you is make sure your Facebook app is up to date. You can check it from your Google Play Store or from Apple Store. Once you do, move back to your Facebook application and tap on your profile icon, which is on the right top, and click on the setting icon. Once you will get access to the account settings, scroll down, and then you can find the option of profile and tagging. Click on it and make sure all of these options are enabled. If any of these options is disable, then enable that. Another thing you have to do is make sure you upload a clear and front-facing images in the Facebook app. If you upload a blurry picture, then Facebook will not be able to recognize faces. The next thing is move to your mobile phone setting, scroll down, look for the option Apps, click on the option Manage, and in the search bar, search for Facebook app. Now take a look at the right bottom. You can see the icon Clear Data. Click on it and tap on the option. Clear Cache and clear your all Facebook cache. Then open the Facebook application again and check your problem is solved or not. If that is still, then log out your account and uninstall the Facebook application. And reinstall the application from the Google or App Store and log in your account, and check your problem will be solved. And if that is still there, then the last thing that you have to contact with the customer support of Facebook, explain your problem to them, and they will resolve the problem. And these are the ways by which you can do it.